Hello. So we obviously leaving, so the cleaning crew is already here. We like to do those tours when we're leaving after we take it in. So when you enter, you get the first bathroom, has a massive walk-in closet. You have a standing shower here. And this is the bathroom. That's the first thing on the left. Now through these doors, you have the first bedroom with massive windows, and you got a view of downtown. You get a view of Nashville, JW Marriott, Broadway. And this is located like 5 minutes away from Broadway. So you could literally walk, because we did it. So this is the sitting area.
Yes, of course it is.
There's only one TV in the entire unit, and that's it right here.
This one seat has offered us hope for further notes.
So this is your kitchen, a full kitchen. And you got different closets throughout the whole area. This is your laundry. And different closets. So the next thing I want to show you, I forgot to show you, when you walk in, there is an area where you could leave your keys and stuff in case you need to do that. So let me take you and look at the type of oh my gosh, I need to get some sleep. Yes, the type of lighting they have in here. So this is your master. The master has great views as well. You get a view of a little bit of skyline right here. This is a 10-foot. The doors are really massive. The doors are at least 8 foot tall. This is a nice touch. So you get to see all those different performers. As you know, Nashville is a performing music area, all genre of music. And then here's your master bathroom, double sink as usual. You have a nice tub here and a walk-in closet, ample of space. So we were not here that long, but nonetheless, we had a great time. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is the balcony. So when you step out of the balcony, it's a pretty good size. This particular unit gets a view of a parking lot, not the best of view, but then to the right of that, you still see the skyline, which I think is not bad. This parking lot was never full when we were here. So don't forget, you cannot smoke on your balcony. So this is where we stay. And then, when you come here, if you do get parking, they'll give you a fob to access the parking, as well as a tag. Please make sure you have your tag, because they will tow you or boot you and so on. So this is the unit in a nutshell. And the great thing about here is you could lease this unit and stay there, and they allow you to Airbnb it, which is awesome. The only thing is, if you Airbnb this, they're going to take 28% of your proceeds. So the owner that we met, she said she made good money after she pays everything a month. Because as you know, this is the area where a lot of groups come in for, whatever groups, when they come on town. It's a lot of tourists right here. We went on the town, and there was so many people. So this was a quick tour of where we stay in Nashville. I hope you like it. And Carsa is so much into this damn TV show she's watching about some princess, empress. I don't know. She's hooked. Why are you in them people business for? Any last word of saying? Closing words later? Anyway, guys, peace.